First of all, I would like to welcome you all on your learning channel, Knowledgeable Neha. So today we are going to discuss about a grand topic that is personal finance. हम में से बहुत लोगों को पर्सनल फाइनेंस के पी के बारे में भी नहीं पता होगा और हमने कभी सोचा भी नहीं कि पर्सनल फाइनेंस हो क्या सकता है। सो आज हम इसी टॉपिक के बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं और आज हम बात करेंगे कुछ लर्नेड, एक्सपीरियंस, प्रोफेशनल एंड स्टूडेंट से कि वो पर्सनल फाइनेंस को कैसे देखते हैं और पर्सनल फाइनेंस उनकी लाइफ में कितना महत्व रखता है। हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब? व्हाट्स अप? दिस इज नेहा, वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन योर लर्निंग चैनल नॉलेजेबल नेहा। सो आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं पर्सनल फाइनेंस के बारे में, कैसे हम पर्सनल फाइनेंसिंग कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम पर्सनल फाइनेंस को मैनेज कर सकते हैं और साथ ही बात करेंगे बिगिनर्स से लेकर के एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन तक, जो आज हमें बताएंगे कि उनने अपने पर्सनल फाइनेंस को किस तरह मैनेज किया। सो विदाउट एनी डिले, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद दिस वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग। So first of all, I would like to welcome you, Sangam, on this learning channel, Knowledgeable Neha. So as we are discussing about personal finance today, so I also want to ask you as a young blood in the professional life, how you see your personal finance, how you manage your personal finance. So first question to you is, what is personal finance for you?
Okay, first of all, thanks Neha for giving me this opportunity to share my views on this, very concerned topic to talk about, which is personal finance. And according to me, I have started working for a corporate field and being a beginner in this corporate world. It's a great thing to manage how to use money. So it's very good topic to talk about because a lot of young professionals are there who really want to know how to manage money or how to earn or save it or how to invest and where to invest.
Definitely, definitely.
Yes, for professionals, finance is all about how to save money and how to invest in a proper way.
Definitely. So you take your personal finance regarding to your saving as well as your investment, right?
Yeah.
So hello Simpi. So hi, in today's session. Today, as we have discussed about personal finance, so let me quickly ask you, what is personal finance for you?
Firstly, Neha, thank you for giving me this opportunity that I became a part of this your discussion. So, as you have raised the question of personal finance, so I would like to discuss my views. So, personal finance is not a short word. It is a wider word. It includes so many things. Like it includes saving, investments. It's actually a way managing your finances, your funds. That how you'll be able to manage your funds in a good way, in a proper way. That how you'll be doing some savings, some investments. That everything should be balanced in your life. That how let me explain you with certain examples.
Exactly, which I really want to share you that we want some experience, some example from your end that how you manage your personal finance.
Okay, yeah, sure. I would like to help you. Let me tell you, like if I'm earning like 20,000 per month, like right, and I'm going to buy a laptop next month, like right, and if I'll be not doing any personal finance management, I will not be able to buy anything.
Exactly.
Because what the thing is that if a person is earning and he so many things is coming in his way or her way, that this is the thing I want to buy, this is the place I want to go, these are the expenditures which are looking he would look at, that these are all I want to do. But the thing is that nobody can fulfill everything in a spot. It's actually whether he is a poor person or a rich person, the criteria is same for everyone. If it is a poor, then he will definitely depend upon the necessities first. And if it is a rich person, he would definitely he would be having certain certain demands or certain wishes that I want to buy some luxurious car or luxurious jewelry. As a woman, you see a woman spend a lot of their money
Definitely in shopping. Yeah.
In shopping.
From
So
the person when he is, sorry for interruption, Simply, when a person started earning, from the day when he started earning, not even he received his salary, expenditure started. Like
Yes.
he plans to buy this, although salary is not yet credited in his or her account, but expenditure list is ready.
Right. And whenever you write, Neha, I just very nice you have said that his expenditure list is already ready. And now what you have to do is, when your expenditure list is ready, just sort out the things. That what you have, put the necessities at the top, and then the normal things.
In a sum up, if I can say your views, so financial planning is very much important to manage your personal finance.
Very
Thank you so much. That's a valuable views you have presented. But let me ask you the next question: that when you earn income, so
Yes.
after earning income, you select your saving amount and put it aside, and then you used to do your expenditure, or in income you made your expenditure first, then the rest amount is under your saving account.
Neha, according to me, the professionals which are beginners, so they have an opportunity to make mistakes. So if we start making savings from an early age, it would not be good. I would suggest to first look at your expenditures, manage your expenditures. People should know how to manage their expenditures, and then the left is saving. So according to me, income minus expenditure will be the saving.
As per me, which I want to share is, if you will save first, if you will save any amount, like if you are earning, for example, if you are earning 10k and you are saving 5k, and you used to manage your expenditure within that 5k, that will be a great, and it will make your habit of saving. Then only you can make your amount in investment stage when you will start saving. So as you are saying that you need to, I completely agree that expenditure management is the first priority, and you need to do that. Then only you can start saving. But first you need to take care about your saving. Whenever you receive any XYZ amount of income, you need to make the saving amount at side. Then only you need to manage your whole expenditure, whole month's expenditure within that amount. Thank you so much, Sangam, for your valuable views. So on this note, let me proceed with next Abhimanyu. So let's ask him how he used to manage as a young blood his professional life as well as his personal life in personal finance. So let me quickly add Abhimanyu for like proceeding this discussion beyond. So please be online. Let me connect him.
Okay.
So first of all, I would like to welcome Abhimanyu on this learning channel, Knowledgeable Neha. As we are discussing about personal finance today, so we are also want to hear about the same opinion of yours on this topic.
Hi Neha, thank you for inviting us.
Welcome once again. Thank you so much. So Abhimanyu, I would like to ask you about some basic questions like how to start saving.
आज का जो टाइम है उसमें टीनेजर की सेविंग काफी मैटर करती है, क्योंकि हमारे पेरेंट्स ने तो हमारे लिए कर दिया.
Right.
अब हम कैसे सेव करते हैं, हमारा फ्यूचर, वो सब उसी चीज पे डिपेंड करता है.
डिपेंड करता है बिल्कुल.
और दूसरी चीज क्या है, आजकल टीनेजर में काफी ये हो गया कि हाँ, हम एक दूसरे को ना कंपैरिजन काफी चल रहा है कि उसको देख के, उसको करके ना कंपटीशन हो गया हर चीज में. फिर चाहे वो स्टडी का हो,
बिल्कुल
हर फील्ड में को कंपटीशन डेवलप हो गया है हर किसी के बीच में. तो उसमें सेविंग करना इम्पोर्टेंट भी है और नेसेसरी भी होता है आज के टाइम में. तो एज अ टीनेजर आई थिंक एक तो सबसे पहले वो चीज़ नहीं होनी चाहिए जो कंपटीशन की हम बात कर रहे हैं कि हाँ डिजिटल चीज़ों को खरीदने का या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चीज़ें खरीदने का या फिर जो भी एक दूसरे में कंपैरिजन करते हैं वो नहीं होना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
और दूसरा, जब भी सेविंग की बात है ना, मोटिवेशन हर चीज़ में जरूरी होता है. जब भी आप कोई काम स्टार्ट करते हो ना, मोटिवेशन होना काफी जरूरी है. जब तक किसी मतलब मैं अपनी बात करूं, जब तक मुझे कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं मिलेगी, जब तक मुझे अपना गोल नहीं दिखेगा, मैं उस चीज के पीछे फिर उस पे मेहनत नहीं करूंगा.
मेहनत नहीं करेंगे.
सबसे पहले गोल सेट करना, मोटिवेशन होना बहुत जरूरी है. किसी को भी सेविंग करनी है तो उसे ये पता होना चाहिए कि हाउ टू सेव से पहले होना चाहिए व्हाई टू सेव. उसे सेव क्यों करना है. अगर उसका कोई गोल सेट होगा कि यार उसे इतने टाइम के बाद ये जॉब चाहिए, इतने टाइम के बाद उसे यहाँ पे घर लेना है या फिर ये कार लेनी है, बाइक लेनी है, स्पोर्ट्स बाइक लेनी है, जो भी उसका गोल होगा, जब तक वो उस गोल को सेट नहीं करेगा तब तक वो सेविंग करना स्टार्ट नहीं करेगा.
नहीं कर सकते.
एक बार उससे वो मोटिवेशन मिल गई ना कि मुझे ये गोल अचीव करना है, तो उसके बाद वो ऑटोमेटिकली सारे क्यों, व्हेन, व्हाई जितने भी क्वेश्चन थे ना, सारे आंसर उसको मिल जाएंगे. हाउ टू सेव, उसके पास अपने आप इतने सारे वो आ जाएंगे, वो ऑप्शंस आ जाएंगे, वो कर सकता है सेव उसके लिए. सबसे पहले एक मोटिवेशन होना काफी जरूरी है.
Exactly.
और दूसरा फिर मोटिवेशन लो आगे, उसके बाद फिर कैसे करनी है। सबसे पहले जो हमारे एक्सपेंसेस हैं उसको लिमिटेड करना पड़ेगा।
बिल्कुल।
इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं, जो भी हमारे अननेसेसरी एक्सपेंसेस हैं, जैसे कि हम कभी अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाते हैं, तो अगर हमें 20 रुपए खर्च करने होते हैं, हम कभी कभी क्या होता है 20 का 50 100 तक भी खर्च करके आ जाते हैं।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, we used to think it
जो
कोई बात नहीं,
unnecessary-
अब की बार हो गया, next time we'll do
हाँ
that.
नेक्स्ट टाइम कर लेंगे, हाँ, पर वो नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी नहीं आता,
नहीं
वो नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी नहीं आता। तो ये काफी जरूरी होता है कि हाँ हम हमारे एक्सपेंसेस को एक मतलब लिमिटेड वे में स्पेंड करें।
स्पेंड कर,
और दूसरा क्या होता है कि स्पेंडिंग हर कोई करता है, बट स्मार्ट स्पेंडिंग करनी चाहिए।
स्मार्ट स्पेंडिंग।
वो कैसे कि हमें पता है कि चलो हमारी नीड है यार, हमें अभी ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चीज लेनी है, हमें लैपटॉप लेना है या हमें मोबाइल लेना है। हम क्या करते हैं, जो भी चीज लेटेस्ट आती है हम उसके पीछे भागते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
कि यार अभी ये आ गया है, मुझे ये आज ही लेना है या फिर कल में लेना है। बट अगर हम थोड़ा टाइम वेट करें, ये हमें सबको पता आज के टाइम में कि यार उसी चीज की जो प्राइस है वो 1 महीने बाद या फिर कुछ टाइम बाद नियरली 10-20% लेस हो जाता है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, हाँ।
ठीक है, तो स्मार्ट स्पेंडिंग करनी चाहिए। ये नहीं कि हाँ कोई चीज आ गई है तो उसको शो ऑफ के लिए या फिर अपने उसके लिए हम उसको
On the spot purchase
जल्दी से
decision
जल्दी
नहीं
ऑन द
करना
स्पॉट परचेज करें, नहीं करना चाहिए। तो
right.
ट्राई करना चाहिए हमें कि थोड़ा टाइम दें, अगर जरूरी है तो लो। बट आज के टाइम आई डोंट थिंक कि इतना किसी को वो होता है कि हाँ यार मुझे आज लेना, कल जो चीज कल आई हो मुझे आज क्या चाहिए।
राइट।
या फिर इतना किसी पे बर्डन नहीं होता, प्रेशर नहीं होता, सबके साथ में टाइम होता है। ये तो इसलिए हम थोड़ा ऑल्टरनेटिव किसी को होता है, तो हम टाइम ले सकते हैं, थोड़ा टाइम वेट कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद हमें पता है कि उसकी प्राइस कम होती है। तो स्मार्ट स्पेंडिंग भी एक अच्छी चॉइस है अगर हम सेविंग करना चाहते हैं।
राइट। सो indirectly you
दूसरा-
want to say smart spending and controlling of your expense is directly related to start saving.
स्टार्ट सेविंग
Right.
फर्स्ट स्टेप, जो बेसिक स्टेप होता है ना, ये सब उसी के मतलब उसमें आता है। दूसरा ये कि हमें डिफरेंस पता करना पड़ेगा कि यार हमारी नीड क्या है और हमारी वांट क्या है। इन दोनों के बीच का ना डिफरेंस समझना काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है।
Very very
जिसने-
important. बहुत सही बात बोली
जिसने ये डिफरेंस समझ लिया ना, उसको फिर ऑटोमेटिकली फिर वो सेविंग करना स्टार्ट कर देता है।
आपने। Because
तो जो
नीड
हमने-
आपसे वो काम करवा देती है, बल्कि
करवा
वो
देती
नहीं
है,
करवा
हाँ।
पाती।
नहीं करवा
Right.
पाती।
राइट, थैंक यू सो मच। इसी क्वेश्चन के कंटेक्स्ट में मैं आपसे संगम पूछना चाहूंगी, जैसा अभिमन्यु ने अभी बताया दैट हम कई बार जो लेटेस्ट चल रहा है उसे परचेज करने के चक्कर में हम अपना फाइनेंशियल रॉन्ग डिसीजन ले लेते हैं, परचेज डिसीजन ले लेते हैं, जबकि वो लॉन्ग रन में हमारे लिए बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं होता, इवन शॉर्ट रन में भी कई बार अच्छा नहीं होता। जो प्रेशर रहता है, पीयर प्रेशर रहता है, जो हमें एक फियर रहता है ऑफ मिसिंग आउट, फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट। सो आफ्टर द एज, लाइक उनकी एज से आप अपनी एज में आके इसको कैसे देखते हो, आपको क्या चेंजेस लगते हैं, आप फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट को क्या सच में प्लेजर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट समझते हैं?
Exactly, Neha. I have been through this stage where Abhimanyu is right now. So, when you start growing up or when you start maturing yourself as an individual, so it's very common, between the friend circles you are there and you start competing with them. So
Definitely.
it's a natural thing, but the best is the one who keeps themselves away from it. That it is very important what he said, that what is your need and what is your wants. So if you can differentiate between these two things, which is very important.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Sangam. So let me proceed with Abhimanyu for this.
It's been a great time with you, Neha. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So Abhimanyu, saving or investment, which personally you like?
ये ऐसे है कि फर्स्ट स्टेप सेकंड स्टेप। अब कोई फिर हेरा फेरी का लक्ष्मी चिट फंड तो है नहीं कि हाँ आपको किस दिन में पैसे डबल या ट्रिपल हो जाएंगे।
Definitely.
कि अगर आपको फ्रूट चाहिए, फल चाहिए, तो पहले आपको एक सीड प्लांट करना पड़ेगा। इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है करो, बट उससे पहले सेविंग जरूरी है।
Savings करो।
सेविंग वो सीड है और वो इन्वेस्टमेंट वो फ्रूट है जो आपको बाद में मिलेगा।
Definitely.
तो इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है तो उससे पहले एटलीस्ट आपको अपनी जो सेविंग है वो स्टार्ट करनी पड़ेगी, अर्ली से स्टार्ट करनी पड़ेगी।
Early age से
तो मोस्टली टीनेजर होते हैं ना, उनका माइंडसेट क्या होता है कि नहीं यार हम जल्दी स्टार्ट करते हैं, हमें जल्दी में रिटर्न मिलेगा,
Right.
बट नहीं हो पाता।
So first of all, I would like to welcome you, Taskil, on this learning platform, Knowledgeable Neha YouTube channel. So as we are discussing today about personal finance, so I would like to ask some personal finance management related questions to you as well. So
Thank you, Neha, for inviting me in your YouTube channel, Knowledgeable Neha. And I'm really appreciated to be here with you discussing about this personal finance. I don't have much knowledge, but yeah, I'm ready to answer your question.
So it's a good privilege for us and for viewers also that they are listening to you as a common person what you think about personal finance. Because personal finance को manage करने वाले, personal finance को advise करने वाले तो market में बहुत हैं. बट डे टू डे लाइफ में हम जैसे लोगों को पर्सनल फाइनेंस खुद मैनेज करना पड़ता है, तो क्या डिफिकल्टीज होती हैं, क्या सीरियसनेस होती है, आज हम उसी के बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. सो लेट मी क्विकली आस्क यू फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट सेविंग फॉर शॉर्ट रन and investment is for long run. Do you really agree with the statement that saving is only for short run and investment is really for long run?
I think it depends on person and their goals of life, right? So yeah, this statement is general, and we can say that that's a true statement, but it may vary with person to person, right? Let's come to a point. Question is for short run. Yeah, I believe that we need saving for short run because you always need money in hand. That's we call it liquidity, right?
Definitely.
So liquidity is an important part of your life. You need at any time for your health expenses or maybe some urgent works. So that saving must be there, and I think it must, like saving and investment must go in hand.
Hand in hand,
You
exactly.
can't feel like you should not feel like I should be saving for some years and then I will go for investment. That should not be there.
Definitely.
And
That
investing-
when you will start saving, then only you can create a habit of investment. If you don't save, you
Right,
can't
right.
invest. It's very true.
Right. Yeah.
So
that,
thank you so much for your valuable views and this all. So would you like to ask anything for me in this topic, as you are saying that you are new to this, you won't have that much of knowledge? So would you like to ask anything which you face, you want to ask?
So my question would be how tax planning and financial planning is related.
Definitely,
How
I'm
we can-
expecting this kind of question only from your end because you are an earning per person. They need to have this knowledge for financial planning plus tax saving. So tax saving as well as tax planning is nothing bad. You need to save your tax. So let me quickly discuss some major like sections which you need to know. That is ATC. In ATC section, you can save till 1,50,000 rupees in insurance. Okay, and in ATCCD you can cover your health insurance till more like 1,50,000 in ATC plus 50,000 in ATCCD, like till 2 lakh
Okay.
you can save through section 80 only in your tax planning. So you need to do your financial planning according to your tax planning only. कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि आपने पैसा इन्वेस्ट तो कर दिया फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग करके, रिटर्न एक्सपेक्ट करके, बट जब वो पैसा आपको वापस मिलता है तब उस पर टैक्स लग रहा है. First, I would like to ask you a basic question: that is money saving is really the money which you earn, or money saving is different and money earning is different?
Well, see, it's totally depend upon the person perspective and person to person aim or goal in his or her life. Simply, when a person is going to earn money, how much he is earning and what is his expense, which is also known as we can also see it as a financial planning. Financial planning is very important in everyone's life, because once you started earning, you also have to manage your lifestyle. For managing your lifestyle, you also have to take out the expense from the earning.
Definitely.
So when some person is earning something and he is making some financial planning for his or her own life or someone else's life, like mother, father, or sister, children, something like that. So in that scenario, what is important is how much his pocket is allowing to do some expense. If he is saying that I am earning only 20,000 or some XYZ amount and my expense is more than that, and he's on a credit card or some personal loan or some loans is going on in his life, so that will not allow him to do some investment.
Investment, exactly, because
So-
borrowing,
so-
you need to clear
yeah.
borrowing first, then only you can go
Yeah.
for investment.
Yeah. So first you have to see what is the financial planning of for your life, and in your salary, what is the expense you are going through, what is the earning you are going through, and what is the money saving after that. That is the important thing. So I must suggest everyone that you should save money for crisis, like some hospitalization or some something like
fund.
that, or education, some education. But in that scenario also, I just add one thing, that money makes money. if you want to earn money, you have to invest the money
Invest
for
the
making the money.
Definitely.
For making the money. ठीक है?
So Mrinal, let
first
me
of all
ask
that.
you a personal question, if you don't mind. Do you really think that employment, like if you are employee of somewhere, like if you are working in some institution or under someone,
Or MNC,
maximum you will get a package, a handsome package you'll get. Do you'll be under the category of rich person with this job only without investment? I'm just asking you a personal question. What's your personal?
See, that's totally depend upon the person mental, what they want to think and how they take the money for that. Just example like this, I have seen some of the person earning in Google and Microsoft, and some of the person is earning in local MNCs like means in small MNCs like Happiest Mind is a new MNC company right now. So the person's salary is different in every MNC company. One person's salary in Microsoft or Google might be higher than that person who is having a salary in some different normal organization. So it's totally depend upon that person how he take, he hard earn money, how he takes that thing in his life. If he want to invest that money or he want to save that money, he will do. If he want to he just want to be a luxury life, like he want to be buy a car, buy a bike, which he cannot own with his or own money, means how much he is earning. So that will not make his a good financial planner.
Right.
Okay. If he is earning XYZ amount of money and he is investing before the month end, and he is depend on his credit card or something personal loan or anything, that's not a good financial planning.
That's not a good financial planning, right?
You have first of all, but देखिए पैसा सबके पास होता है. पैसा को इन्वेस्ट करना या पैसे को कैसे बचाना वो इंसान को आना चाहिए. सबसे पहला बात ये होता है, अगर आपके पास 10,000 है और आप जान रहे हो कि आपके मंथ के स्टार्ट में ही 5,000 उसमें से कट जाएगा, तो मैं आपको श्योरिटी देता हूँ कि वो इंसान ना 5,000 में ही पूरा महीना काट लेगा.
Definitely, that's what I want to ask you, that अगर आपके पास लिमिटेड फंड है, आप अपना एक्सपेंडिचर उस लिमिटेड फंड में ही एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं. अगर आपके पास एक्सेस फंड है, आप उस एक्सेस फंड को एक्सेस आप क्रेडिट पे चले जाते हैं, बट उस बोरोइंग्स पे चले जाते हैं, बट आपके एक्सपेंस पूरे नहीं होते हैं.
So that's the thing which is depend upon your own mental. What do you think about the money? How you want to invest that thing, or you just want to take out the expense from that money, or just want to live your life like a luxurious life and going to pub, bar, drinking and all those things. That totally depend upon your mental capabilities. What you think about that?
Right. Thank you so much. So let me ask you the next question. So what you need to know before investing? Like you are investing in banking, you are investing in MNC or stock market or mutual fund, wherever you are investing. So what things you need to keep in your mind while investing? Your investment decision should be based on your own choice, your own expectation, but things which you need to keep in your mind always before investing. So what are those things you think?
If you are investing in real estate, okay, let me take one example. If you are investing in real estate, you should know the history of that thing for last 5 to 10 years. And you should know the present, what is the rate of that thing, and also the future of that.
Future value, definitely.
Okay. So you have to take the data of at least 20 years. Okay, 10 years before, 10 years after, and 10 years before and present also. If you're investing in real estate, right now the real estate pricing is going little bit down because of this corona impact. All those things. So right now the real estate price value is down. So right now, if some person is having excess money and he want to invest in that thing, he can invest. It's his or her own choice. But he should know after investing that money, how much he going to earn from that thing. Because one thing, every investment is used. A person used to invest the money for his or her emergency situation. Like if I'm investing.
In conclusion, if we say liquidity should be there, that if you want to spend this amount, there should be liquid amount that you can get anytime whenever you want. Thank you so much, Mrinal, for this valuable views, reviews, and your experience. So definitely our viewers will gain everything what they want to get from this video, this session. So thank you so much for this time, and we'll definitely join you again with a great topic next time. First of all, I would like to welcome Himanshu on this learning channel, Knowledgeable Neha. So as we are discussing today about personal finance, how to manage personal finance, so our viewers, our team want you also to share your experience, that how you see your personal finance, how you do your financial planning. So let me quickly ask you the first and the foremost question in our Indian psychology, which is inbuilt, that saving and conjugacy is related or not?
it's depend on person to person. As of now, I can see that from my point of view, I don't think so. You need to relate these two things because if you're doing a savings, so it's not necessary to be the part of like doing conjugacy. Like suppose if I'm earning something amount, like I'm earning a 50,000 amount, if I have the savings predefined with me, like suppose I want to save a certain amount, like I save a 5,000 per month or something, then I'll cut off my things, like I'll just do like where I'm getting only 45,000 and in that I can just make my all the stuffs in that.
Definitely.
So I don't think so. Yeah, so I don't think so, you know, to be like that.
Okay, so as per you, conjugacy is not required. You can make your good saving without conjugacy also. Thank you so much for your views. So let me proceed with the second question. So Himanshu, what is the right time to start your saving? As per you, what is the right time?
As early as possible you can. From the beginning also, when you just be a kid, you can do as well. When you just get the money from your parents.
What about your income? If you'll be the kid, and how will adjust your income? What will be your source of income?
It's a simple amount. When we are kids, we are getting amount from our parents, like to go for something, to eat something. So if you want, we can do our piggy banks and we just save some amount from. So that's a beginning stage from where we learn about this. And as soon as we grow, like we are working or something, so we just make daily routine and we can make this in our life.
Okay, thank you so much, Abhimanyu, for these views. So, do you have any
Thank you so much,
question, like being a teenager, being a youngster, being a young blood of Indian country? So, you want to ask anything regarding the same?
As you know, we are talking about saving, so I would like to ask you that where we can save our money as a teenager.
Personally, my views, when I was a teenager, when I was a student, I started my PPF account, and that's really very valid till now. Like after it's been like 12 to 13 years. So first and the foremost thing which I like in PPF account is it's a lock-in period of 15 years. Like 15 साल से पहले आप अपना पैसा नहीं निकाल सकते, आप बन जाते हैं। आपने चाहे कितना भी अमाउंट उसमें इन्वेस्ट किया है, हर कि आप मिनिमम 500 रुपीज से अपनी इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हो साल की। सो 500 रुपीज इज नॉट दैट बिग थिंग कि एक स्टूडेंट पूरे साल में नहीं जुटा सकता। सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज, until 1,50,000 आप मैक्सिमम एक साल में उसमें इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो। सेकेंडली, कल को जब आप उस पैसे को निकालते हो आफ्टर 15 years, when you will be mature, when you will be having a good income source, alternative source also, तब आपका वो पैसा टैक्स फ्री रहता है, जो कि आजकल एफडी में भी नहीं है। सो दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। एंड इंटरेस्ट रेट की अगर बात करें तो एफडी से, सेविंग अकाउंट से कहीं बेटर हमारा इंटरेस्ट रेट भी आता है पीपीएफ में। एंड फॉरमोस्ट इट्स अ गवर्नमेंट स्कीम, इट्स अ सेफ, जो कि हमारा पेरेंटियल माइंडसेट है, जो हमारा इंडियन माइंडसेट है, जो सेफ एंड को जाता है, वो भी ये कहता है कि इट्स अ गवर्नमेंट स्कीम, सो वी कैन इन्वेस्ट इन दैट। सो आई विल डेफिनेटली सजेस्ट यू टू गो फॉर अ पीपीएफ अकाउंट।
Thank you so much for sharing your views, and thank you so much for inviting us.
It's all my pleasure. Definitely will consider you in further sessions also. I think our viewers will be great to hear this, that a youngster in this age having this much of views and listening to you is really a good time. Thank you so much for investing with us. Have a great day.
Personal finance होता है क्या?
Am I audible to you, Taskil? Say like this, yes or no, because you are not audible. Say yes or no. Yes, okay. Thank you. Good morning, Nidhi.
Good morning, Neha. How are you?
I'm good. You say.
I'm fine.
Hello. You can make me, what do you say, your means follower also, follower, yeah. And like that. Yeah. You can make me
Thank
that
you.
also.
Thank you, sir.
सर बोल के पराया कर दिया यार से।
So there are so many ways they how they can
यार वो बंदा यार सफेद शर्ट पहनी बैठा है यार, थोड़ी कदर करो उसकी।
हाँ। हमारे व्यूअर्स जानना चाहते हैं कि आप अपना पर्सनल फाइनेंस कैसे मैनेज करते हैं। तो आपसे पहला क्वेश्चन मैं यही करना चाहूंगी, हाउ टू स्टार्ट सेविंग, आप इसको किस तरह देखते हैं?
आज का टाइम यंगस्टर का टाइम है, तो यंगस्टर के लिए काफी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वो